gamit.
Okay mo na, okay na. Ba't kung naman ba?
Ako ka na talaga.
Na.
What are the usual side effects of makeup?
For me, the side effect of makeup, all I know, makeup is made up of chemicals and which makes our face have pigmentation and blemishes.
So are your skin sensitive and easily gets irritated when you use makeup?
Not actually sensitive, but I'm trying to be careful to use makeup.
Why does your face feel heavy whenever you have makeup?
Because of the chemicals applied on the makeup, which makes you feel uncomfortable.
Are you a fan of using makeup even if it has side effects?
Sometimes, I have to use makeup because it makes me feel beautiful. Diba?
What are the treatments to clear the bad effects of makeup?
As an esthetician, I never use makeup, which is made up of heavy chemicals, to make us feel uncomfortable and be sure to have a facial treatment to protect your skin damage and use carefully, not heavy makeup.
Okay na.